Good morning. Today is Sunday the 16th. It is 9:59 a.m. I am up early today. I woke up at 9 o'clock this morning. I'm on my way to Mifland Sample Sale. This is my first sample sale ever, so I don't know what to expect, but I've been eyeing some pieces from this brand for a while, and I have an opportunity to get them at a cheaper price if available. So we're going to see what it gives. Try to take you guys with me and maybe pick up a piece or two. Who knows? Who knows exactly what's the process is going to be like? I don't know. I'm in, I guess, Howell Mill area, so right here by the Holiday Bar. So we'll see. We'll see what it gives, and I'll pick you guys up in a little bit. Here at the interlock is where I parked at, and they're across the street. So I'm gonna walk over there, see what I could be able to find, and all that good jazz. I know I'm going for the shoes for sure, the slides, the ever slides, but I'm interested in whatever I could be able to get my hands on as far as clothing goes. I may look at a couple of bags just in case, but who knows? So, leaving, got some goodies. I had to do 2 trips because I ended up getting myself the shoes, of course. And I had peeped this sweater out the corner of my eye. Wasn't really thinking so much about it, but you know, I love a good hoodie. I love a good hoodie. So I peeped the hoodie, and then I was like, I'll think about it. But in a nutshell, I ended up going back and getting the hoodie, and then my best friend, TJ, who's just been on my channel before, he called, and he was like, yeah, I saw your text, I couldn't go, yada, yada, yada. And he's having, he had a death in the family, so he's like worried about that situation. So I was like, well, you know what? You treated me to a pair of shoes. I could treat you to a pair of shoes. It's not like I'm on the up, but I know when I didn't have, he made a way for me. So I got him a pair of shoes. I got my hoodie, and then my 2 pairs of shoes as well too already. So it's about 11 o'clock. About to grab me something to eat real quickly and then head to work. I work at 12. So I have an hour to kill in a nutshell. And I'm glad. The girl told me hold on, my trunk is open. The girl who told me that she went yesterday, because it was a 2-day sale. The girl who told me who went yesterday said that the line was long. And I'm glad I waited till today. Mad because I maybe missed out on some pieces. I really wanted me some t-shirts because I feel like I wear t-shirts more than I wear a hoodie. But I ended up getting a good, decent quality hoodie in my size. A little bit oversized, but in my size. And I can't be mad at that for one. And then for 2, she was telling me that the lines was long. When I tell you they were so like long, they were out the door long, like people was waiting to get in type long. So I'm glad that I waited, because that gave me an opportunity to really not stress out about not getting in on time and getting out on time, for 1. And then for 2, allowing me to actually shop in peace and not with a whole bunch of people standing on my shoulders trying to grab the same piece of clothing that I'm picking up as well too. So I'm glad I waited for today. Got me some Mifland pieces. Support a Black-owned brand. So that's that. I know this is not my typical, like I say, content, but I want to do stuff, and doing stuff like this just makes me feel happy. Like I know I'm spending money, and I could be saving, and I could be using on other things, but my bills are paid. Not too much. My bills are paid. I just wish more people would see my content, just so they see how much of a fun and enjoy that I am. And is Cookout open? Cookout is open. I'm going to go get me some Cookout. I'm going to get me a double burger and a milkshake. I deserve. Ooh, not y'all spinning around and around. But yeah, Cookout's open. I'm going to Cookout. I'm going to get me something to eat, then I'm going to head to work. So I think I'm going to wrap up this vlog. I think I'm going to wrap this vlog up here. No, I need to show y'all the pieces. So I'm going to hop off of here. I'll be back later on to show y'all what I got from Mifland after I get off of work. What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? What's up, squad? Today's Tuesday. I did not pick y'all up yesterday on my normal Monday, Tuesday off day situation because I needed to rest and recuperate. Plus, all I did was stay inside the house. I didn't go nowhere. And the last thing y'all seen me do was cook that sloppy joe. That was Sunday night. Ate that yesterday for lunch. Nothing crazy. But I am getting out the house today. I have to go to the P.O. box to drop off my other vlogging camera, the original M5. Drop that off so that can get repaired. Well, send that off. I'm gonna have to pay for the shipping, of course. Send that off so that can get repaired. Then I have to go get a new vape. I know it's bad. Vaping is bad, but go get a new vape because the one that I currently have sputters. And some told me not to buy 2 cartridges because I knew something was gonna go wrong with this vape. So now I either buy the same one over again or figure out a new one. And I need e-liquid. So we're going on a little adventure. I do need to stop at the leasing office, make sure they got my request because baby, I saw a bug yesterday. And one thing I don't do is play with the bugs. Yeah, they outside for a reason. I'm inside for a reason. I don't go in their territory. They don't go in mine. All right, so let's see what I got from the Mifland Sample Sale. Excuse the noise in the background. It's my air fryer cooking. Just want to put some in my stomach before I go to sleep. But inside here, I bought something just so I could be able to get this little duffel drawstring bag because it was so cute. When I saw people was getting it when they got their clothes, I had to go and find something clothes related to get this because I wanted it. I know it sounds so bad, but their stuff was at a reasonable price, and of course, you know, I had to get something in black, but I mainly went for the shoes, and I ended up getting this as well too. This is their hoodie. It says Mifland in the front, and on the back it says USA Mifland. It's a 2XL. I'm excited to rock this item because I love a good hoodie, and it's the perfect time for a hoodie. Cop the hoodie. This was $50. I did not see this, but it also have something on the sleeve, a little applique on the sleeve. Mifland 8887, Mifland design, coat, shirt, leather, cold weather, stock, settled nature. There's a cute little graphic design on here, but yeah, this was $50. Did not see this on their website, so I can't really give you a price reference of how much this would have cost full price. Maybe give or take roughly around about $90 to $100 for the sweater top. So I got that. I picked that up. And I picked up 2 pairs of shoes or 2 pairs of slides. The slides was also going for $50 as well too. And they came in this little burlap sack that has that same design on it. Mifland 8887, 2000 Mifland design, shoes, coats, coat, shirt, leather goods, cold wear, stock, other good stuff. But yeah, got this little Durlap bag. Then it came in this dope box, of course. And the slides, I got the 10 colorway, size 12. This is what they look like. The bottom, very sturdy. They're very made out of good material. I can't squeeze them, so we know that the PVP or whatever type of material they use to create these shoes are sturdy material. Then it has like the little cutouts for the slides to fit back in. And I also picked them up in a different colorway as well tue. Another little burlap sack, cute dope box. Got them in the shade black. These are the Eva slippers. And I got them in black and 10. This is the front, side, and then of course the bottom. Probably gonna get more wear out of the black versus the tan, but I want them in different colorways because they fit so comfortable on the feet. I normally wear a size 11 in shoes, but I got them in 12 because they do typically, the material is like premium, but they have like a little of a squeeze or a hug around the arch of your foot. So I wanted to kind of make sure that I was able to wear them for one, and two, that the functionality of them wasn't so tight around my feet. So I got it in a size 12. I also bought my best friend a pair. He got a size 11 in the black. And yeah, spent about $200. I'm going to end the vlog here for this week because it has been a lot going on in my life. Nothing changed for the dramatically of the good, but progressively, there's a lot of great things going on in my life. So I just want to be able to end up on a high note, finish what I'm doing with editing the vlog before this, so definitely go check that out. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all, so I know I haven't picked y'all up in a bit, but I did this makeup look here. Why is the camera so close? Ooh, that was scaring me. Okay, so did this makeup look for YouTube? I will leave this look in the eye card above. Definitely go check this out. When I tell you, baby, this eye is blended. It is smoky. It's giving very much that. Giving very much that. Okay, I have some other videos I need to film, so let me get off of here, and I'll see you guys in the next.
Spend it on me, I love when you spend it on me. Don't you tell me, got me up in GB. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want. Turn me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me in silk and we would never fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. Go right ahead and spend it on me. Go right ahead and spoil me, baby. Buy back my love. Keep those sweet nothings from me. They don't mean nothing to me. Diamonds and pearls, I'm that type of girl now. I want your black card, you can keep your heart. Whisk me away from all of my pain. What's the point of having a heart in this world? Ashamed and late, I just wanna be a girl someday. I don't wanna think, don't make me a fool, make me a pretty woman. I'm a damsel in distress, my love. Before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. I love when you spend it on me. Don't you tell me, got me up in GB. Before my love couldn't be bought.
I'm officially out of my Mac wipes. I gotta get my hands on some before I lose it.
I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend